What did I do to him? I practically crapped my pants is what I did to him. What the hell is that?
This is Chester. Isn't he cute? Yes, you are. Yes, you are.
He's not staying here, Alan.
Well, with all due respect, that's what you said about me.
That's because no kennel in town would take you.
Oh, come on. Look at him. How can you not love this face?
Easy. I know where he puts it. Now take him back to Candy's.
I can't.
Why not?
It's kind of complicated.
Then simplify it.
Okay, well, I stole him.
Oh, Alan, I may think with my penis, but at least I think.
Don't worry, you won't have to do anything. I'll feed him, I'll walk him.
Walk him? You could hitch a wagon to him and settle the West. No dogs in my house, especially stolen dogs who are big enough to make me their bitch.
Whoa! What the hell is that?
That is leaving.
Oh, Charlie, please. My entire life, Chester is the only living thing I ever slept with that didn't sue me for alimony.
Alan, how long do you think you're going to get away with this?
I was very careful. I left the door open so that when Candy comes home, she'll think she left it open and that Chester ran away. She will never dream of looking for him here. Probably. Just in case, hide Chester.
How am I supposed to hide him?
Sit under him with a pail and pretend he's a cow.
Coming!
Man. Come on, Bullwinkle. Yeah. Yeah.
Alan Harper.
Yes. Yes, how can I help you?
We're investigating a stolen dog report.
A dog?
Your ex-wife's dog?
Chester? Somebody stole Chester?
She seems to think you might know his whereabouts.
Oh, gosh. I'm sorry. I have no idea. Although, you know, what could have happened, she could have left the door open. She's absent-minded, and the dog got away.
Whoa!
How long before Candy and her lawyer come back from Mexico?
3 more days.
Oh, God. What are you feeding that dog?
It's not the dog.
Smells a little like banana bread.